Namaskar, welcome to the Kaushal Yog. Today we are going to practice meditation series. The first meditation, which is called gross meditation or Vitarkanugat Sampragyat Samadhi. In this meditation, we take a gross object to focus our attention. The first gross object is our own body. So we are going to be aware on our own body. So let us start to practice this meditation. First, we have to sit on any meditative pose like Siddhasana, Padmasana, Swastikasana or Sukhasana. Better either Siddhasana or Padmasana, lotus pose. Those who wants to practice it at their office, they can sit on a chair by keeping their spine, neck and head erect. Now we start practicing. Sit in any meditative pose. Close your eyes and relax your face. Relax your face completely. Keep your spine, neck and head erect or aligned. Keep your hands in a comfortable position. It may be any hand mudra like chin mudra, gyan mudra, or your palms can be on your laps. Now, with closed eyes, start taking few deep and long breaths. Understand the meaning of meditation. Meditation is a practice where you have to take one object to focus your mind. There are two things in the meditation. One, Purush, Atma or soul who is meditating. The second thing is you have to select an object. Alamban. In the beginning, this object or alamban should be gross, as practitioner cannot go directly to his mind or chitta. So he needs a gross object to focus their attention. So now we start. Make your breath normal. The first place you have to take, you have to keep your body completely fixed. Not any part of your body should move. Focus on your face and feel the sensations in your face. focus on your neck. Only focus on your neck and feel if there is any sensation in the skin of neck or the muscles of the neck. But keep your body completely fixed, unmoved. Now focus your attention on your arms, shoulders, upper arms, forearms, wrist, palms and fingers. If there is any sensation in the skin of your arms or the muscles of your arms, just feel it. After it, focus your attention on your back. Only back. Upper back, medium back or middle back, lower back, and then feel sensation in your back, in the skin of your back or the muscles of your back or the bones of your back. Maybe you can get some undue pressure in your back. Maybe you may get some pain in your back muscles as you are doing this exercise with erect spine and a stable body. If there is any pain, just feel it. Now focus on your chest. Only chest. Then feel if there is any sensation in your chest. Feel the functioning of heart and lungs, but keeping your body fully stable and unmoved. Focus on your abdomen. If there is any sensation or feeling in your abdomen, just feel it. Due to normal inhalation and exhalation, means due to respiratory system, you may feel some changes in your chest and abdomen during respiration. Just feel it. Then come to your legs. With the locked legs, due to Siddhasana or Padmasana, It may get numb. It may get pain. Just feel it. You have not to be bothered about the pain. Just feel it as you are not body. You are soul, consciousness. Remember, you have to keep your body completely stable, unmoved. The first thing of meditation is to keep your body unmoved for a comfortable period of time. The second thing, your mind should be alert, focused, and aware. If mind is not alert, the whole exercise is mechanical. So try to be fully aware. Take 5 deep and long breaths, keeping your body fully unmoved and with full awareness. You can practice it as long as you want. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. In the gross meditation, you have to keep into account only 2 things: physical awareness and physical stability. Now, make your breath normal. Stop your meditative activity here. Now chant Om. Om.